Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let's face it, we all make money mistakes. But sometimes mistakes can be more costly than others. Today we're counting down the 5 costly mistakes everyone makes, and how to fix them. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter financial future. So grab a notepad, because we're about to save you some serious cash. Mistake number 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. This is a common one. Living paycheck to paycheck means your income barely covers your monthly expenses. One unexpected bill can throw your entire budget off track. Here's why it's costly. Missed opportunities. You can't save for important goals like a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or a comfortable retirement. High interest debt. Without saving, even a minor car repair or medical expense can lead you relying on credit cards. High interest rates on credit card debt can quickly snowball and devour your financial progress. Stressful cycle. Living paycheck to paycheck can be incredibly stressful. The constant worry about making ends meet can take a toll on your mental and physical well-being. The fix. Budgeting is your friend. Track your income and expenses to see where your money goes. Create a budget that allocates your income towards needs, wants, and most importantly, savings. Aim to save at least 10% of your income each month. Mistake number 2. Ignoring high interest debt. Credit card debt, anyone? High interest rates on debt can quickly snowball and devour your financial progress. Here's why it's so costly. The interest monster. Credit card interest rates can be brutal, often exceeding 20%. Every dollar you owe accrues interest, meaning your debt grows even if you only make minimum payments. Imagine paying hundreds or even thousands of dollars in interest alone. Lost investment opportunities. Money trapped in high interest debt is money you can't invest towards your future goals. Instead of growing your wealth through investments, you're essentially throwing money away on interest charges. Debt can cripple your budget. High minimum payments on credit cards can significantly strain your budget, making it harder to save for important things or cover unexpected expenses. This can lead to a vicious cycle of debt and stress. The fix. Prioritize paying off high interest debt. Consider debt consolidation to secure a lower interest rate. Explore strategies like the debt snowball, which is paying off the smallest debt first, or debt avalanche, paying off the highest interest at first. Check this video out for more details. It'll be linked below. Mistake number 3. Not having an emergency fund. Life throws curveballs. A car repair, unexpected medical bill, or a job loss can be devastating without an emergency fund. Here's why it's so costly. High interest debt trap. Without savings to cover unexpected expenses, you might have to rely on credit cards or high interest loans. This can quickly spiral into a cycle of debt, adding stress and financial strain on top of the initial emergency. Selling assets at a loss. To cover emergency costs, you might be forced to sell investments or possessions in a hurry. This could mean selling them at a loss, losing out on potential future gains. Missed opportunities. Emergencies can derail your financial progress. Money used for unexpected expenses can be saved for important goals like investing in the market or buying your dream house when it comes on the market. The fix. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in an emergency fund. Start small and build your fund gradually. Every dollar saved counts. Mistake number 4. Not taking advantage of employer benefits. Many employers offer fantastic benefits like retirement plan contributions or health savings accounts. Leaving these on the table is like leaving free money behind. The fix. Review your employee benefits package and understand what's offered. Maximize your contributions to your employer match retirement plans. Use HSAs to save for healthcare expenses with tax advantages. For example, if your employer matches your 401k contributions when you invest 3% of your salary, then you should be investing at least 3%. This will immediately have a return. The 3% will turn into 6%. This is a 100% return. And that's hard to get anywhere. Mistake number 5. Not shopping around for better deals. We all get comfortable with the same providers for bills and services, but loyalty doesn't always pay. The fix. Renegotiate your bills periodically for better rates. Shop around for better deals on car insurance, cable TV, or internet service. Consider generic brands and explore cheaper grocery alternatives. Automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account and for debt repayment. This ensures consistent saving and reduces the temptation to spend that money elsewhere. There you have it. By avoiding these costly mistakes and implementing the fixes, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. What money mistakes have you overcome? Share your experience in the comments below. And let's build a financially empowered community. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next one.